Sadiq, are you just breathing heavily on the fucking thing? Control yourself, bitch. Fuck me, lad. See, it's just with ease, bro. Fucking power on there. Ooh, there's a Golf there, lad. Golf on there. Camera skills. Look, look, this is first gear. Pull Sadiq. Fucking moving on there. See that car in front of you? Fucking shite, mate. Get out. Get out my way.
Indigo Production.
Welcome back, and as you read by the thumbnail, yes, I have got an S3 AP. Yeah, boy, yeah, look at that. Get a zoom in, Sadiq, let us zoom in, Lord, get a zoom in. So, pretty much, this is what it's looking like, all stock. Even got the stock headlights, so I can make a video on them, Sadiq. DRL's there, are you recording there, Sadiq? Right there, stock this. I'm thinking a honeycomb grill that takes away this, takes away that. Blacked out one. I'll show you a picture of what I mean here. Blacked out grill, just like this. Come on, see. Come on, see. Wheels are dead as fuck. Are they 17s or 18s? Alright, they're 18s. Now what I'm thinking is, what do you think, Sadiq? Should I take the Golf's wheels? Take these Golf R wheels and put them on the S3. Or should I just glat them like, out? What do you think, Sadiq? You tell me. Come on, see?
Yeah, take them and put it on the...
What do you think?
Yeah,
we'll see anyway. We'll see what's up. Right, so currently this car has got no insurance anymore. But from when you look at both of them, you just turn it. You look at both cars. Come on. There's no comparison. The Golf looks a million times better than this. Don't even chat shit. Don't look at the engine, don't look at the speed, don't look at the specs. Look at the front of this. And then look at the front of this. Golf is about in a league of its own. Yes. Right, then, oh yeah, we didn't show them the back, so let's get round. We got the chromish style things here, stock there. I can change them into dynamic ones. We got 2-door, because 2-door always looks better than 4-door. Yes, always. And then we got these wind deflectors. Pretty shit these, I'm not gonna lie. Heckle ones are better, they're not as dark. Fucking hell, at the back. Yeah, we can change them. We can change them into the square ones. Change them. I won't be doing the wiper delete because it's annoying. I want this wiper. Then S3 Quattro. When I went to look at the car, I thought the S3 badge was supposed to be on that side. But somehow it stays on this side. Weird, man. I'm not gonna lie. When you hear the car, it sounds fucking dead. Right? I'm just gonna show you a sound clip of this compared to the Golf. Right? So let the traffic die down and then we'll do a little thingy. Very better. Car sounds a lot better. But when you drive the S3 and it's around when you're in 3rd gear and 4th gear flat out, that's when you can hear the. We'll go for a drive and see if you can hear it. Oh yeah, I haven't showed you. It's got a Ramair 89 pound system in it. Come on, Vic. Come on, Vic, right? Let's see the boots in it. Come on. The fucking boot. The boot on this. Right. Only bad points about this. I think the thing is just gone. It's fuck up. But I'm thinking we'll just do a boot pop thingy instead of just replacing the things. Right here, it's just missing that. And then other than that, chilling, bro. It's got the spare space saver shite. Let's jump in the. Oh yeah, let's show the engine bay. Oh fucking hell. You ready, see? Bum 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 bum. Ramair, bro, you can hear this fucker here, bro. This here, this whole system, there's two types of these. This is the 189 pound one, and there's a one that's 130 pound, a bit skinnier pipe. But that's the only thing that's been modded on this car. Other than that, the whole car is stock, so the whole car's stock. I think it does need washer. I've had this car for 1 week. Because if you follow me on Instagram, then you would have known. Oh, cars, you get on that side, see? Right, if you follow me on Instagram, then you would have known that I bought this car 1 week ago. But I wanted to drive the car to see how it is and know how everything works. And yeah. So the Instagram people watching, you already know I have this car. But see here, so the coolant is still there. Coolant's okay, not gone down. If it went down, then within a week, if that coolant went down, then we got a fucking problem, right? I think this is our parcel, Sadiq. We'll be back in 1 sec. Our parcel. Right, Sadiq, where were we? Yeah, coolant's fine. Check this. See that? No gunk. If there was gunk, that's when your head gasket's out the fucking window. It does need washer fluid. Actually, do you think you can hear this? Ooh. Let's wait till this traffic goes and then we'll see if you can hear the suction on this. You can really hear it when you're driving, but I don't know how well you'll hear it when just on standstill. To be honest, I don't think you can hear it, but once we go on the drive, look at them, bro, they look so dead there. Let me get some washer fluid. Oh, actually. Oh, is it in the back? We'll be back in 1 second. Screen wash! Get in there, son. Yeah. Fucking fuck. I think I will give it a coolant flush as well, because yeah, I think it's a bit orange. Fucking hell, he needed this, innit? Out on there. There she goes. Yeah, that'll do. Let's go for a drive, eh? Put this back, close the shutter, and then we shall go take it for a blast. Now, I don't know how well this camera is going to pick up the lighting inside, because the inside has got black headlining. And the light isn't that well. Back in a moment. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Leave me on. Right. Clean my nose. Fucking COVID. Right. Black headlining in here. These here. Change them into. I think I need to always have these on because when you don't have them on, can you see me now? Or is it harder? Yeah, it's just fucked. Yeah, that it's very dark in here. Right. This is the S3 here. So look at that. Yeah, put that in there. We've got this here. We've got the little cheeky handbrake. Got the little cigarette thing here. Lights up there. S3. Oh, this is a bad boy. We've got a little gripper here for the passengers. And then heated seats. And then the aircon in here is a weird one, this. So, to turn these off, you pretty much just turn them like that. Bro, the design of there, mate. How do you know what they're doing? And then to when you put it on, it's always going to come out of here and come out from your feet. Now if you want it through here, you just press that button. See, this is why I wanted to make this, own the car for a week and then reveal it, because Sadiqa, you're just breathing heavily on the fucking thing. Control yourself, bitch. Fuck me, lad. And then shit in there. Yeah, I'll change that. And we've got, oh yeah, I full tanked the car. I full tanked it. Right, so full tank the car and I've done 124 miles, 0.6, and then that's where it's at from a full tank. So fuel wise, you know what, it's not that bad because I've owned a V6 full motion 2.8 litre V6, and that, wait, did I say V6 twice? I think I did. That was bad. That was very bad. Now this car is worth it. When you put the petrol in and it's just drinking, it's like, you know what, it's worth it because it fucking moves. So you've been in it, haven't you? How'd you like the car, mate?
Yeah, it's good.
Fucking sick. Right, let's go for a fucking blast. Right, so you get your seatbelt on and we'll just go driving to it. Right, let's go. Now look out for the induction kit. Ooh, there's a Golf there, lad. Golf on there. Hear the induction kit there, so can you hear it? Ooh, goddamn, boy! Hey, it just fucking moves, bro. It's just effortlessly moves. Whoa, where's this cocksucker going here? It's just, fuck me, bro, it's night and day between the Golf and this. So you're getting better at the camera skills. Look, this is first gear, pull sleep. Fucking moving on there! Yo, this is fucking sick, this car, bro. But, oh yeah, also one thing, it needs tracking. See this? See the steering wheel, sleep? It's just out like that. That's all it needs. It's still straight, it still goes straight, it's just, yeah, there's that. Bro, this car is fucking fire, mate. Let's just turn that off. Heated seats. This car's golden, mate. This car's gonna be fucking popping, I'll tell you. Right. How's it looking, Zeke? Alright?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, mate, it's alright. Effortlessly. Oh yeah, this is a 261 brake. Stock. Things like that. Even the indicator. Tick, 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 tick. Everything about this car. But I'd like the flat bottom steering wheel. Oh, I think my next video I'll just compare the two cars, yo, and see what I like about the Golf. Because mainly the channel is full of Golf people anyway. Yes. Fucking moving on there. And it's like effortlessly, innit? Because if you want to see with the Golf, you always have to redline this. It's just, you got the power there. It just fucking moves, mate. It's just got sick, innit? Oh, there's another A3. 1.9 TDI on there. See that on there, bro. Got an S3 though. See that car in front of you? Fucking shite, mate. Get out my way. That's not my car making that noise. Record that car there, bro. Whoa, where's this Audi A3? See, it's just with ease, bro. Fucking power on there. Just got all the power. Power. Bam. Try with windows closed, let this cunt go through. Oh no, he's waiting for me. Oh yeah, windows closed, you can hear it. Hear that? Yes! What? Fucking sick, mate. So I think I reveal this car now. I still need to make a few more videos on the Golf, and then after that about January time I'll start making real videos on this car. Yes. Now it means to the right, we shall see you in the next one.